So after some finagling, raising the engine up and down and propping it up with a floor jack, I did manage to loosen the filler bolt and then remove the rear drain screw, and I loosened the front drain screw as well, which took a bit of doing. So I'm going to let this drain, put the screw back, and then unscrew this guy and let that power drain. And then I'll be ready to refill it with this little hand pump that I bought. So they are torqued very tightly, so you do need a breaker bar. I used this guy here, and 10mm hex bit, as I said, and you should really work that thing in. If there's crud in there, this might slip and strip the head of your drain or filler plugs, and that would not be good. So I think it has drained enough, so I'm going to put this screw back and work on the other one. It smells different from motor oil, so I'm going to torque it later. I'm just going to hand tighten it so that it doesn't drip. So that guy is over here. Guess I'm going to get some fluid on the O2 sensor cable, can't be helped. While that's draining, I'm going to take the filler cap entirely off, if I can. I think they're all exactly the same part, by the way. Maybe this is a bit deeper. So this is where you're supposed to fill it with from, and that's what I'm going to do. So this is finished draining here. I'm going to tighten this back, or at least hand tighten it for now. This is proving to be surprisingly difficult to work in. There you go. As I said, I'm going to torque these later, the fore and aft drain screws. Now I'm going to fill it up. I believe the capacity is 2.3 liters. And instructions call for filling it up until it starts dripping out of the drain plug, out of the filler hole. So yeah, it's kind of difficult to meter 2.3 liters anyway. So that's what I'm going to do in just a moment.